Anything else?
I decided to go with the barbecue pork and vanilla because I am not adventurous, so I'm not about to get no date shake. However, my husband did. He decided to get himself the date shake and a chicken sandwich, spicy chicken. Chop your pork. Chop beef. Chop pork. It's hot. Just what you would expect. I could have sworn it said that it comes with coleslaw on it, but there's no coleslaw on it. No way. Oh, still tasty. It's spicy. Obviously, it's not going to have condiments on it, but basically they have them already prepared as far as the sandwiches go in the little heater cabinet. But you can still order fresh, I'm sure. I mean, can't say these are not fresh. I'm saying like there are other food options that you can order as well, like other types of chicken besides the sandwich. Pretty much can't go wrong with the vanilla shake. That's it. It's vanilla. Definitely still good.
Pickles are definitely pickly. Chicken sandwich is definitely juicy. I like it.
Would you spend that kind of money on it again?
Yeah.
Because it's not a meal. It's just each sandwich is its own price. No meals.
Yeah. I mean, they had it where you could get a side.
Yeah. We didn't try no sides.
No.
Okay.
I think most of the burgers and stuff like that came with fries. Pork came with fries. If you ordered it that way. The chicken seemed to come with a side. I don't know what the sides were, but just the sandwich itself is good.
It's inside of a shell in California. We just crossed over from Las Vegas, heading into Los Angeles. So this is entering into Cali from the Las Vegas side, or almost before you get to Las Vegas and Fremont, Nevada, and all that. So, what do you think of your date shake? You ever had dates before?